Hi Rob, where are you taking us for lunch today?
Alright, if you're in Bandra and you're looking for a spot to try some North Indian food, I know a place. In Delhi, there is a lot of interesting street food. You know, there were spots where they would sell parathas, Mini Punjab or Delhi Darbar, or they have like that kind of taste and flavor. So whenever I have that food, it sort of takes me back or transports me back to that.
What are we getting today? I'm very excited.
Mutton seekh kebab, suka mutton, some dal makhani, some butter chicken, naan, butter naan. ठीक है. और इसके बाद dessert में फिरनी.
You go to your comforts? Are you experimental with your food?
If I like a certain dish from a certain restaurant, when I go there, that's my
your
order.
set order, yeah. So this is the mutton seekh kebab.
So good. The flavor is good. It's not too spicy. The meat is tender.
Do you believe food and art carry the same level of storytelling power?
Both, can sort of transport you to a time or like a moment or incident.
I grew up watching Mad and I used to watch before school.
We didn't know that it's going to become such a popular format. Because there was no Google. If you want to try something, a particular technique, they would come watch the show.
I used to be one of those.
Oh, awesome. I used to get letters from grandparents saying that Sundays have become ritual of sorts, that you watch the show and then we collect the items, we sit and make it together.
Do you ever see Mad coming back?
I hope it comes back. Guys, if you're listening,
Invest.
let's do it. Invest, yeah.
Oh, this is a feast.
The bucket.
The dhaba bucket.
Yeah. You can start with some suka mutton, some butter naan,
Pure cholesterol.
a nice juicy bite.
By the way, this butter chicken is too good.
Remember dal makhani? I like that it's thick sort of consistency. Sometimes people go really, then becomes like porridge. Yeah.
Something that you go back to all the time.
Because I grew up in Delhi, mom used to make great rajma chawal.
If someone had one day in Delhi, tell me all the spots that they should visit in Delhi.
Bengali Sweet House. In Nizamuddin, they have a lot of joints where they serve a lot of meat, like your old Kareems to like Paratha Ali Gali. And
One dish from home that you can't find in Mumbai.
my mom's biryani, best biryani in the world, the way she used to make it. I've seen people like debate on this also, whether you should put egg and potato in a biryani or not.
I say yes.
The best. Ooh, the firni is there.
Classic firni in matka.
Let's dig in.
Butter chicken or Rogan Josh?
Butter chicken.
Sarson da saag with makki roti or pav bhaji?
Sarson ka saag.
Gulab jamun or rasmalai?
Gulab jamun.
Chole bhature or puri aloo?
Puri aloo. Chole bhature.
Golgappa or dahi balla?
Golgappa and then dahi balla.
Jalebi with rabdi or kulfi faluda?
Kulfi faluda.
Thank you for coming on the show.
Oh, thank you for inviting me.
I'll just be right back. I forgot my wallet. I'll get that.
Yeah, sure.
सर बिल
मैडम देगी बिल.
ये दिया, ये बोली आप इसमें पैसा बना के देगी.
पैसा बना के देंगे.
मैडम चला गया.
चले गए.
हाँ.